advanced moist wound dressing combining foam and hydrofiber. Hami Post OP. Hami Post OP is a high-performance dressing with a smart 4-layer structure. The airflow shield protects the wound while allowing it to breathe. The hydrofiber core rapidly absorbs exudate and maintains ideal moisture. The SoftGuard foam layer cushions with soft 1.5mm foam. The skin contact layer enables gentle, low-trauma removal. Designed for wounds that need more than coverage, it delivers precision care, layer by layer. Hami Post OP's hydrofoam rapidly absorbs exudate while locking in bacteria, odor-causing microbes, and moisture with waterlock technology. It holds up to 30 times its own weight, securely trapping fluid and preventing recontamination for a cleaner, safer, healing environment. Hami Post OP absorbs exudate faster thanks to its zigzag incision structure, which rapidly disperses fluid and channels it to the absorbent layer. Its multi-use directional design ensures efficient vertical and horizontal absorption for comprehensive fluid management. Effortless application with an all-in-one design that conforms to body curves. Hami Post OP, a professional wound dressing with both absorption power and protective performance. Wound care made easier and more dependable. Hami Post OP, your smart solution for moist dressings. All about wound care system.